Picture this, the year is 2030, and you're still using a manual toothbrush, while everyone else is using a robot that brushes for them. Sounds absurd, right? Just like that, there's a tech tsunami headed our way, and it's all about artificial intelligence. Today, we're unraveling the top 9 AI skills you need to master right now to stay ahead of the curve. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with knowledge that's as essential as that futuristic toothbrush. Ready to dive in? Number 1. Machine Learning Fundamentals. Let's dive right into the deep end with the foundational skill in AI, machine learning. Imagine you're teaching your younger cousin to recognize different fruits. You show them an apple and then a banana, explaining the differences. That's precisely how machine learning works, only it uses algorithms as data instead of visual cues. Anyone looking to get into AI should have a grasp of basic algorithms, like decision trees and neural networks. It's like teaching a computer to see the world through a specific lens. Next up, think about your Netflix recommendations. Ever wondered why it's eerily accurate? That's machine learning at play. It's based on patterns, preferences, and numerous other data points. When you're looking to work in AI, understanding these algorithms isn't just cool, it's critical. They are the magic spells of the tech world, turning mounds of data into actionable insights. Lastly, if you're just starting out, there are a ton of free resources available. Sites like Coursera and edX offer courses from top institutions on machine learning. It's like having a Hogwarts for tech right at your fingertips. Number 2. Data analytics and visualization. Ever been to a magic show? The magician pulls a rabbit out of a hat, and the audience is left in awe. Data analytics is somewhat similar, except instead of a rabbit, we pull out insights from data. Working with AI means dealing with vast amounts of data. But raw data isn't exciting, it's the story it tells that matters. To spin a tale, one must first understand and analyze the data. Now, once you've got a grip on this data, you have to make it appealing. That's where visualization steps in. Tools like Tableau or Power BI allow us to transform bland numbers into colorful graphs, making it easier to digest. It's the difference between reading a dry report and seeing a vivid comic strip. While mastering data analytics sounds like a daunting task, fret not. Tools like Google Analytics provide a perfect starting point. They offer free courses, allowing you to dip your toes into the vast ocean of data. And who knows, you might just discover a hidden passion. Number 3. Natural Language Processing, or NLP. You're chatting with a friend overseas through an app, and it's translating everything in real time. Sounds futuristic, right? But it's happening now, thanks to NLP. This branch of AI helps machines understand and respond to human language. It's like teaching a robot multiple languages and nuances of human conversation. Imagine the number of times you've asked Siri or Alexa a question. That interaction is made possible because of NLP. Every time you dictate a text or ask for a song to be played, it's NLP working in the background, ensuring the machine understands your request. For those eager to dive into this fascinating world, tools like Google's Natural Language API are a great starting point. You can play around, see how it works, and even integrate it into your projects. NLP is like the universal translator of the AI world, breaking down language barriers one algorithm at a time. Number 4. Robotics and automation. Alright, who hasn't dreamt of having their robot? Well, with robotics and automation skills, that dream isn't too far from reality. Robotics involves creating machines that can move and react to their environment. It's like building a mechanical friend who can help you out with tasks. Now, while creating a robot might sound complex, the fundamentals aren't too different from regular programming. It's all about inputs, processes, and outputs. The difference? Instead of a software response, you get a physical action. For enthusiasts eager to begin, platforms like Arduino provide an excellent playground. They offer kits and tutorials, helping you understand the basics of robotics and automation. So whether it's a toy car or a mini robot, the power to create is right in your hands. Number 5. Neural networks and deep learning. Ever seen those movies where a computer can recognize a face in a crowd? That's the magic of neural networks and deep learning. It's a subset of machine learning, but delves deeper, pun intended, into mimicking the human brain's workings. While traditional algorithms might look at data in a linear fashion, neural networks process it in layers, filtering and refining the information as it goes. It's like having a team of detectives, each specializing in a different clue type, working on a case. Dive into platforms like TensorFlow or Keras, both of which are open source, to get your feet wet in this field. It might seem complex at first, but once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are limitless. Number 6. AI ethics and bias. Remember those sci-fi movies where robots go rogue? While we're far from that reality, it's essential to understand the ethics behind AI. As creators, it's our responsibility to ensure that AI respects human rights, maintains privacy, and avoids biases. Bias in AI isn't about the machine having a favorite color, it's about ensuring fairness. If left unchecked, AI can inadvertently perpetuate stereotypes or make biased decisions based on the data it's been fed. Many online resources delve into the nuances of AI ethics. Platforms like OpenAI Charter emphasize building safe and beneficial AI. It's not just about creating intelligent machines, but ensuring they're ethically sound. Number 7. Cloud computing. AI processes require a lot of power. We're talking about data that could fill libraries. That's where cloud computing comes in. It's about storing, processing, and managing data across multiple servers, all interconnected on the internet. Imagine having a supercomputer at your disposal, anytime, anywhere. That's the power of the cloud. It provides the backbone for many AI processes, allowing for scalability and flexibility. Platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure offer a plethora of services tailored for AI. From data storage to machine learning tools, the sky, or should we say the cloud, is the limit. Number 8. Reinforcement learning. Ever trained a pet? Use treats to make them follow commands? Reinforcement learning is quite similar. It's about training algorithms using a system of rewards. Positive outcomes get rewards, while negative ones don't, guiding the algorithm to improve. This method is particularly popular in gaming AI, or any scenario where the machine needs to make a series of decisions. It's like playing a video game where the AI learns from every move you make. Platforms like OpenAI Gym provide environments to test and develop reinforcement learning algorithms. It's a virtual playground, allowing for experimentation and learning. Number 9. AI tools for SEO. Search engines have become smarter thanks to AI. Therefore, if you're in the digital marketing space, understanding AI tools for SEO is crucial. These tools analyze vast amounts of data, from search trends to website performance, helping in optimizing content. Consider tools like ClearScope or Surfer SEO. They leverage AI to provide content recommendations, making your website more search engine friendly. It's like having a digital Sherlock Holmes, deducing what works best for your content. The world of AI is vast, but with tools like these and continuous learning, mastering SEO in the age of AI becomes a fun and rewarding challenge. And there you have it, folks, your roadmap to becoming the AI superstar of the future. Remember, every tech genius started somewhere, and today you've taken a massive leap. So charge up those brain cells, and let's make AI as familiar as our morning cup of coffee. Until next time, keep innovating.